Graduate medical education is the stage after the students graduate from the med school to do their residencies. That is the stage where early career physicians who graduated from med school actually have greater hands-on experience caring for patients under the supervision of attending physicians. One of the visions of the More in Common Alliance is to train providers from the underserved communities. MiCA is very intentional in reaching out to those communities early to create pipelines where we can recruit potential medical students from the community, all the way from elementary school to high school, to have them interested in medicine, having them under our partnership, mentorship, come to Morehouse School of Medicine, having them go back to their communities and do residencies in hospitals that are located in those communities. MiCA is very intentional in working with the communities with critical provider shortages to develop training programs to mentor the residents and hopefully to retain the residents at the end of their training.